In this episode, I will show you how I shot this picture with the plane flying over the couple. What's up everyone? If you're new to this channel, my name is Alain Martinez and I am an international wedding and lifestyle photographer. And in this channel, I create videos for photographers and cinematographers who want to improve their craft. I also make videos for wedding couples who want to learn from my experiences and enjoy a better wedding day. So if you're not already a subscriber, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. Every now and then you see a picture and you wonder, gosh, how was this taken? And that is exactly what this segment is for. Today I will tell you how I took this picture in St. Martin. St. Martin's Airport is one of the world's top 10 most dangerous airports, where the runway is so close to the water that when the planes are landing, it feels like you can touch the planes. So no, this is not a fake shot, we actually planned this picture out. This is the biggest plane that lands on this island, and it's a KLM flight that lands around noon every day coming from London. So let me break down this image for you from top to bottom. It was midday and it was sunny, so as you can imagine, that is the worst lighting conditions to shoot. All I had with me was two 600 EX flashes, and I had this bracket, which I'm going to show you how I mounted it so you can use power from two flashes. You put one here like this, and you put the other one like this. You tighten it very well to make sure that flash is not gonna fall in the water. And now you can have an assistant hold it with a monopod attached to this end over here. And one is, you can aim one to aim towards the dress and the other one towards their faces. And that is how I was able to overpower or at least match the sun's intensity on a sunny day. Right when we saw the plane in the distance, everyone started cheering, so we knew we had the right plane coming, and we got right into position, which meant me up against the seawall and my assistant holding the flash up and to the right as close as possible to my subjects without being into my frame. And then when the plane was right over them, I shot, and I only had 3 pictures before the plane was out of my frame. The water that you see there splashing is from another photograph that I shot a few seconds later. It's too much to expect for all this to be perfect. The water splashing, the plane overhead, the flash firing at full power, and all happening at the same time. So the water was shot a few seconds later and composed in Photoshop. For this I chose f8 as my aperture to make sure that the plane and my subject were in focus, and I chose shutter speed of 1000 so I could freeze the plane's motion. Obviously sunny white balance will give you the best color, but we also applied our own Lightroom presets. It was shot with a 24-70 lens right at 24 focal length. And that is that shot reversed engineered. If you like this video, give it a like and share with anyone you think might also find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see videos like these every week. And hit that bell and turn your notifications on so you can see the videos as soon as we release them. It's good to see you here, and I'll see you in the next one.